Today, the district's conducting the aerial surveys for Old World Climbing Fern. So this is a 2-day mission. We'll be surveying Green Swamp West, Green Swamp East, and the Hampton Tract. On day 2, we'll be surveying Starkey Wilderness Preserve, Weeki-Wachee, and Haupada Preserve. Old World Climbing Fern, also known as Lygodium, is an invasive exotic species. We like to eradicate it because it quickly take over native wetland areas, will allow us to restore native plant communities and help reduce risk of wildfires that can occur in these areas. By using the helicopter, we're able to cover nearly 140,000 acres. District's land management sections, working with the vegetation management sections to conduct these surveys, use the Quick Capture app and collect survey points where we find Old World Climbing Fern. Utilizing early detection and rapid response allows staff to quickly identify problematic areas and treat those areas before they become a major problem.
So the next step for vegetation management is pursuing the points that we find. Now that we have located the vine, we're going to go in, poodle cut. This particular vine is probably about 30 foot tall. I won't be able to spray the whole entire treatment site or the whole entire plant species. I will poodle cut it above my head, and then we're going to use a herbicide to treat everything below the cut that we made. Old World Climbing Fern in this area here in Weeki-Wachee Preserve is what we call an EDRR species. It's early detection, rapid response. It's not growing as prevalent as it is down in South Florida, so it's just kind of expanding its way north. We're trying to stay on top of it and not let it get out of control. The biggest challenge is it's usually in very, very dense vegetation that's very hard to access. It's typically in cypress swamps or wet areas. We use field maps here at the district to collect and record our data. I will record a treatment. I will record a point of this location of Old World Climbing Fern, and what that will do is populate into ArcGIS where we can view that, and also we'll have that record of our treatment.
This effort to remove Old World Climbing Fern off of district conservation lands helps fulfill the district's mission by protecting water resources and conserving natural systems.